Factory 5 Shelby Cobra Replica. This replica is made by Factory 5 Racing. This is one of their Mark III kits. And if you're into cars, you know that Factory 5 is a well-known company in the kit car industry. As you can see here under the hood, we got a nice 331 V8 done by L&M Engines. And this isn't just your standard carburetor. It's actually running one of the Holley Sniper fuel injection systems, which is a throttle body fuel injection kit. And these things are absolutely wonderful. And they're one of the more reliable fuel injection kits that you can put on one of these classic cars. As you can see down here up in the front, we got a nice big aluminum radiator with an electric fan, and that keeps this engine running extremely cool. When I was driving this doing the video, I don't think the temperatures got over 190, 192. And that was even sitting in traffic on a pretty hot day. So, you know, keeping those engine temperatures down nice and cool, that's a huge plus. And up in here, you can see that we got some Factory 5 adjustable coilovers. We have those on all four corners. And with all that power being put down to the wheels from that engine, you're also going to need some pretty good stopping power. So there's disc brakes all the way around. And as we make our way around to the back of the car, you can see up under here that we got an 8.8 rear end with 355 gears. Paired up with that 5-speed transmission, it's got some really nice power that it puts down. I was pretty impressed with this car when I drove this thing. And what would a Cobra be without the nice stainless steel exhaust coming right off the sides here from the headers? And this thing sounds absolutely incredible too.